Just doing a little saw cut today. I'll saw cut this little area out of here and patch it. Now we're going to saw cut this other little area out. We're gonna dig it down 8 inches, put 8 inches of road base, Portland cement, and then we're gonna patch it. We're gonna dig this area out. I'll get back with you when we start digging it out. I didn't get a video of the base work. I forgot. I got this phone. It's an old parking lot. Cut out past this one. This parking lot's so old it just keeps crumbling on the edges. We did saw cut it, but that was another one. We really told them they needed to repave it, but they didn't want to spend the money, so this one had a fix. This is in front of their dumpster. This edge, held up perfect for saw cutting because this asphalt back here was actually in really good shape. No alligator spots. So when we saw cut that edge, it actually stayed where we saw cut it. It didn't just keep chipping back. But that's all of it. We're wrapping it up now, and I guess that's it.